Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping further tearing. Use a sharp utility knife to trim ragged edges into a straight, manageable tear. Next, lift the torn sections slightly and run a dry test to see how far adhesive failed. Clean the area with a damp sponge, then let it dry until just barely damp. This helps new adhesive bond. Apply PVA glue into the tear and press back, using a seam roller to seat the paper. Once done, remove excess glue and smooth the overlap carefully. Now reinforce the weakened area by sliding a thin backing paper or joint tape beneath the torn section. This prevents future peeling and gives something for filler to grip. For gaps, apply paintable spackling to fill voids up to 1/8 of an inch, feathering the edges to blend with surrounding paper. Allow the filler to fully dry according to instructions, then sand gently with 120 grit until smooth. Make sure to remove all dust with a tack cloth so primers bond even. Finish by sealing the repair with a stain-blocking primer. This evens absorption and prevents flashing when painted. Use a 6-inch brush on seams and a small roller for the flat area. Once the primer dries, apply 2 thin paint coats, keeping wet edges to avoid lap marks. If bubbling or lift returns, troubleshoot. Inject adhesive into the edge, press with a seam roller, and wait until set. If the paper delaminates across a wide area, remove and replace that section for a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.